Our focus is today on APCs, antigen-presenting cells, and especially on the MHC class II molecules expressed on the surface of APCs. Antigen-presenting cells are the macrophages, the beta cells, and the dendritic cells in most cases. These APCs express on their surface MHC class I molecules as all nucleated cells, but they also express MHC class II molecules. Now, an MHC class II molecule is a protein complex on the surface of the APC, as we've said, which consists of an beta chain and an alpha chain. That means that each of these chains is encoded by different genes. So beta chains are encoded by beta genes. Alpha chains, of course, are encoded by alpha genes. Now, these genes are found on chromosome number 6. And I'm going to show you now the exact loci of the beta, of the B and A genes that code for the beta and alpha chains of the MHC molecules. On the chromosome number 6, there are 3 loci: locus DP, locus DQ, and locus DR. And in these loci, these genes, the A and B, A and B, A and B, in some cases more than one B gene, are found. These are the genes, as we've said, that code for the alpha and beta chains of MHC class II molecules. So now you also know where the genes that encode for the MHC class II are found. Also, on your right-hand side figure, you see the number of different alleles of the A and B genes found on the 3 different loci on chromosome number 6. So we are talking about huge numbers of alleles that code eventually for an alpha and a beta chain where on an MHC class II molecule. Now, the main thing here is that these A and B genes are all co-dominant, so if they are in the genome, they are all expressed, resulting in what? Resulting in APC cells which express on the cell surface MHC class II molecules which are different, so they express more than one type of MHC class II molecule on the surface. Hope that all makes sense now that you know about the protein MHC class II and the genes that encode this protein complex.